This video is brought to you by the true story of Mrs. Claus. This creative but wholesome reimagining tells the story of how the world's most powerful magic practitioner and a humble toy maker became the most famous couple in history. Together, they bring joy to millions of people every year at Christmas time. This story honors the season's traditions while shedding light on a character that is well known but often overlooked. Click the links in the description below to get your copy today. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. I did Halloween, I did Thanksgiving, so it would be a sin if I didn't do a Wonka Bar for Christmas. I already did a red velvet bar, but I kinda wanted that to be something you could have for either Christmas or Valentine's Day. You don't have to use any liquor if you don't want to, but as Willy Wonka said, candy is dandy but liquor is quicker. I used white rum for my recipe, and I must admit it's a little strong. Just follow the instructions on screen, and in no time at all, you'll have a delightful holiday treat that will melt the heart of even the most stubborn Scrooge. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books. And Merry Christmas!